Hello all, welcome to the day 26 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. One evening, Kaushik was in a park where some children were playing cricket. Birds were singing on the nearby tree that was 80-meter tall. He spotted a bird sitting on the tree at an angle of elevation of 45 degrees. That is the position A. When a batsman hit a six, the ball flew past the tree and startled the bird, causing it to fly away. After 2 seconds, Kaushik observed the bird flying at the same height but now at an angle of elevation of 30 degrees. That is, the bird has gone from A to D. The point D from C is at an angle of 30 degrees. While the ball was also at the same height and seen at an angle of elevation of 60 degrees as it traveled towards him. So the ball is at the position F. F is at an angle of elevation of 60 degrees from C. Question 1. How far was Kaushik from the foot of the tree when he first saw the bird? The initial position of the bird is A. So here the distance refers to CB. In triangle ABC, tan 45 is equal to AB upon CB. CB is what we have to figure out. Tan 45 is 1 is equal to 80 upon CB. So CB is also 80 meters. He was at a distance of 80 meters from the foot of the tree. Question 2. How far did the bird travel in those 2 seconds? The bird has gone from point A to point B in 2 seconds. In triangle DCE, tan 30 degree is DE upon CE. DE is 80, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. CE can be written as CB plus BE. So here we have to figure out BE. 1 upon root 3 is 80 upon CB is 80 plus BE. 80 plus BE is equal to 80 root 3. So BE is 80 root 3 minus 80. BE is 80 times root 3 minus 1 meters. Question 3. After striking the tree, how far had the ball moved through the air when Kaushik observed it? The ball had hit the tree and then it has gone back. That is to the position F. So we have to figure out this distance AF. AF and GB both are equal in size and parallel to each other. From triangle ABC, we know the entire distance CB. From there, if we subtract CG, then we will get the distance GB. CG can be got from triangle FCG. So in triangle FCG, tan 60 is equal to FG upon CG. Tan 60 is root 3 equal to, which is root 3 equal to FG is 80 upon CG. CG is 80 upon root 3. To get GB, we have to subtract CG from CB. CB is 80 and CG is 80 upon root 3. 80 times 1 minus 1 by root 3 meters. This is the distance traveled by the ball after hitting the tree. Question number 4. If the bird flew a distance of 20 root 3 plus 1 meters, what was its speed in meters per minute? Speed is equal to distance upon time. Now the distance traveled is 20 root 3 plus 1 meters. Time taken is 2 seconds. So our answer is in meter per second. So this has to be converted to meter per minute, which is 20 root 3 plus 1 upon 2 into 1 by 60, which gives us 20 times 60 into root 3 plus 1 upon 2 meter per minute, that is 600 root 3 plus 1 meter per minute. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.